Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. So if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support guys, means a lot. So in the description box below I have my Instagram page linked. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow guys. Okay, so yeah, today's pick a card reading is going to be about the 1111 energy. So it's coming, right? It's so what this energy, this beautiful energy is bringing for you guys. So that is what I am going to be doing in this reading. Okay, I think this is a very strong energy. Okay, so yeah, so let's see what's this 1111 energy is bringing for you. Okay, so we have three groups over here. Okay, so this is for group number one. I have kept the number, this is the number 6. I'll be incorporating this number also in the reading. Okay, then we have 11 number that reduces to 2. Okay, so the 11 number, 6 number, 11 number, and we have 1 number for group number 3. Okay, so relax, don't think anything, don't think, no worries, nothing. Free your mind, relax and select a number or a group however you like. Okay, but don't go with your eyes, just select with your heart, with your intuition. Okay, with your gut feeling. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, if you need more time, take your time, pause the video. Okay, and select a group. And remember, this is a general reading, so take what resonates, leave the rest behind guys. Okay, so the description, in the description box you will be provided with the timestamps, so just check that and watch your reading. Okay, so I'm gonna go with group number 1. Hello my group number 1, whoever chose the 6 number. Okay, with the 6 number I feel harmony is coming into your life, balance is coming into your life. I feel like that. Okay, maybe I feel like you're embracing yourself right now. With this energy you will be like embracing yourself, loving yourself, your emotions and your like there is going to be balance. I feel like that. Okay, so what are your cards? Let's see. Okay, opposition, sun, then we have the sun. Wow guys, 2 of wands, and we have 9 of wands. Okay, this is beautiful, and this is your advice card or guidance, and it's about regeneration. So you are changing yourself with this energy. I feel you're gonna shine. With this 2 sun card is about you being yourself. You're going to be very very creative. I feel like that. So embrace yourself. This is what I'm getting. You need to embrace yourself. You're growing. So with this 1111 portal, I feel the thing is like you are embracing yourself, you're growing, you are valuing yourself, and you're understanding how the universe works, that what you think, that is what mirrors how you feel. If you feel good about yourself, then good things will happen. If you feel bad about yourself, that is kind of understanding you're having. I feel like that for many of you here. I feel you're embracing yourself, and you're going to be very very passionate about the things. I feel there is a lot of passion coming towards you. I feel like that with the sun you are going to be very passionate, you're glowing, you are understanding how the universe works. Maybe because of this mirror also you're loving yourself, and that is why I feel there is balance coming in your life. There have been problems, maybe in the past you were not so happy about yourself, the way you look or something like that. You have been fighting about it. With this 9 of wands, I feel like that you were fighting about it. Maybe you had some, you will tell people that you look good and all, this is okay, you will be doing that, but inside you were not accepting yourself the way you are. But you were just trying to defend yourself in a way, but you are not completely accepting that. So that is what I'm getting here. You were not accepting yourself, but you were defending yourself that this is right, but you are not accepting yourself it. But right now I feel that you are completely accepting yourself the way you are. are accepting yourself. That is what I'm getting here. You are accepting yourself. You're moving towards the things you actually want in your life. Okay, so in the past it might be the thing, you know, but this 1111 energy, I feel you're going to be empowered. Okay, you're regenerating, you know, you're growing as a person, I feel like that. So this is kind of this thing is, I feel you're changing from inside, you know, your inside is changing, you're glowing, you're understanding yourself, you are understanding that you have come here for a reason. You're loving yourself, you're loving each part of your body, you know. You're understanding that you can't be someone else, you are you. And I feel like that is what is happening. And with the sun, the warmth, the happiness, the joy, because you, when you embrace yourself, you know, everything looks beautiful. And this is what I'm getting with this energy, you know. You have been trying to defend yourself, you have been fighting, you have been stressing about something, you have been believing in that, but I feel from inside you were not so sure, you were doubting yourself or something like that. But right now with this energy, I feel you're completely accepting yourself. It's like, look at this you know, egg here, you're like becoming a new person all over again, you know, like the you know, it's like the you know, getting out of the egg, you know, it's like a birth, a new birth. That is what I'm getting here. And you're understanding how this universe works, and what you think is that it reflects. So if you think positive, you will get the positivity, you know. You're changing yourself, you're trying about, you know, you are, this energy is bringing that, you know, that kind of thing, you know, you inside you're going to be very passionate, you're going to do the work you want to do. With this Two of Wands energy, I feel that you are going to take action towards the things you want from your life. You're not going to be back because of your doubts, your fears. You're going to be very, very confident, you're gonna shine. That is what I'm feeling, okay, for this pile. Okay, yeah, you're not afraid of opposition anymore. Okay, you were afraid with this Nine of Wands, you were afraid, even though you used to defend yourself, inside you were afraid, you were so fearful, you know, you were fearful about this, what other people will think. You used to self-doubt, but the change is that you're regenerating from that, you're getting empowered, you're loving yourself. Okay, the thing is, you're loving yourself, and this is so good. This is so beautiful. When you love yourself, when you accept yourself, no other person can make you feel bad. Okay, the only yeah, that is what I'm getting. No negative comments will hurt you when you accept yourself completely, right? That is what it's coming. You are empowering yourself and you are growing, you know. This is that, yes, you are growing. You have gone through a lot, you have gone through, I feel a lot of people have bullied you for you know, your body or something like that, but you had gone through, maybe your, it can be anything, but you have been bullied. But right now, with that, all the pain, you are getting empowered, you know, you have that much of inner strength. You're gonna glow, guys. And look at the greens, you know, abundance, prosperity, happiness. We have the sun. Look at that sun. You're gonna glow. You're gonna believe in yourself and do the things you want to do in your life, you know, the things you have been waiting patiently. I think you have been waiting patiently for something. I feel for some of you, you're gonna receive that with this, you know, just some good news with the sun, happiness, you know. It's like enlightenment, being, you know, you're getting clarity about the things. Okay, so that is what I'm getting here. It's like empowerment fire, you know. You're getting you're, you know, you're glowing. That's the thing I'm getting. You're going to be empowered. No one can stop you from doing the things you want in your life. You are going to be that shine, you know, the sun, you know, the sun shines and no one can, you know, no one can I mean, like this, if the sun shines so brightly that no one can you know, cover it up, right? I feel like that you're gonna glow like that. I don't know what I'm saying, but this is what I'm getting. Okay, guys, so that's all for group number 1. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, whoever chose this 11. Okay, so let's see. I don't know why I'm feeling this Aquarius vibes here with this 11. Okay, maybe you're Aquarius or something, but Aquarius, you know, Aquarius is all about innovation. It's about you know, learning. It's about illumination. I feel like that. Something about that. I don't know. Oh, okay. So let's see. Saturn. Okay, wisdom. North Node. Your destiny. Okay, so something about your soul purpose. Maybe for some of you, you are changing your career or something. You are understanding what is soul purpose is. You're understanding what you're meant to do in this lifetime, and you're getting more wiser about it. You're learning something. Yeah, it's about learning also. I feel like that you're learning something new. uh, you're understanding you're understanding. I feel like that many of you here, with this energy, with this 1111 energy, you're understanding what you are meant to do in this lifetime, and you are. Yeah, what is your soul purpose? You're questioning that, and finally you're getting your answers. I feel like that for many of you, you are gonna go to a path where maybe this is your destined path. Okay, so that is what destiny is coming here with this north node. I feel like that your destiny, what everyone comes here for a reason, so finally you're understanding why you came here. You have been working towards it, and finally you realize that you are meant to do this, and finally I'm seeing you're starting that. You're going to go towards that path. I feel like that, and it is not going to be easy. Okay, I feel like that, with this Saturn energy, you need to have that discipline. You need to work hard for that, because Saturn is about that only. It makes you work hard, and but at the same time you're gonna gain a lot of wisdom. But this is something that you're destined to do. It's your soul purpose or something like that. It's about your soul purpose. I feel like that. So maybe some of you are changing your jobs or something like that. You're understanding that you're right now you are understanding your passion or something like that. For some of you, you want to take this path. Okay, so just practice that. Okay, this is going to be you will have a lot of challenges with the Saturn energy. I feel like that this is not going to be a very easy path. You will learn a lot. Okay, but yeah, this is what you're meant to do. You're talented. Okay, so if you're questioning that is this your soul purpose or something, I feel like that is your soul purpose here. You're meant to go ahead. For this you will be learning about it. You will be like, yeah, look, soul, school, learning curve, fulfillment, purpose, maturing, experience, fruition, north star, process, development, practice, path, Biocon, okay, what, blossoming, becoming, integrity, and journey. Look, it's going to be a big journey, because this is your, I feel for many of you, you are destined to do this, because this is in your destiny. It's about destiny, guys. Yeah, you're fated to do this. And of course, Saturn is about discipline, structure, time, responsibility, tests. You'll be tested. That is also sometimes, you will feel like you want to give up, but don't give up, guys. Yeah, that is what I'm getting here. Ambition, difficulty. Yeah, of course, you know that. Difficulty, restraint, grounding, practicality, self control, tradition, realism, container, bones, maturity, gravity. I don't know that. Scaffolding. I'm sorry. Okay, whatever it is. Yeah. With the Saturn and North Node, yes, this is your destiny. You're destined to do this. If you're questioning about your soul purpose, yeah, this 11 energy, I feel, is bringing you clarity about it, and you're gonna go with this path. So if you're questioning yourself whether you should take this path or not, yes, you should take this path. This is your destiny, right? Yeah. So some illumination is coming. You're getting some clarity. I feel like that. Yeah, I want to do this. Sometimes that is what I'm getting here. Okay. Then what else? Seven of Swords. Yeah, you're with the Seven of Swords. You're always in a head. You don't know what you need to do right now. You're feeling like, is this good for me? You're self-doubting yourself. So for some of you, you might self-sabotage also. I with the Seven of Swords, I feel like that you are. Your thinking pattern is very negative. You're not so sure about it. You're very confused. But I feel like that this 1111 energy will bring you clarity about something. Yeah, the star. You are meant to be healers or something like that. If you're in this path, yes, with the star energy, I'm getting the healing ability you have. So you're questioning whether you are meant to do this. Yes, if you're questioning that, you're meant to be healers. I feel like that. Okay, you're meant to do something that you want to do. You're meant to do something you're passionate about. You're meant to follow your dreams. I feel like that is also coming with the star. And for some of you, maybe you want to be a star, like an actor or actress. Yes, this is your path. It's going to be not. It's not easy. It's going to be very difficult road, but yeah, this is your path. You're destined for that. Maybe for some of you, it can be just healing ability you have, or for some of you it's like you need to be more positive. Okay, when you are more positive, happy outcomes will occur. You're, you know, with the Seven of Swords and Star, I feel like that you need to be more optimistic. I feel now you're like pessimistic, you know, you're very negative about something, so don't be that. You know, be more positive about the things you want to achieve in your life. Okay, yes, Queen of Swords energy here. Yes, okay, yeah, taking small steps towards your freedom, you know, speaking your truth, I feel like that. So in this pile, I feel like that many of you are hiding your truth or something like that. You are not coming out like that, you know, you're not saying that what you actually want from your life. You might be doing something that is not your passion right now, and that is draining you, and you know what you want to do. So this energy is giving you, I feel, empowering you in some sort of way to take action towards your dreams and desires, I feel like that. So you need to be that Queen of Swords energy. She doesn't take crap of anyone else. She know what she wants to do, and she will take action accordingly, right? So here I feel you know what you want to do, but you're afraid of something. Okay, so this is like, this is your destiny. You need to go forward with it. Okay, so I feel like with this 11 energy, you're going to get some clarity about this, some clarity, some you know, something will happen that will make you like, yeah, I need to go this, I need to do this, I need to learn this, I need to take this online course or something like that, whatever it is. So that is what I'm getting here. Or you know, you need to work more time. Okay, so you need to invest more time in this or something like that. You need to learn more about it, or you need to research more about this, something like that you will be doing. I feel like, yeah, we have this last card is Four of Wands, so this is going to be very stable energy. You need to work, but I feel like that. So whatever you yeah, you need to research. I feel like that you need to research more. I'm getting that you need to research more about this. You know, you need to make a plan or something like that, some sort of. But at the end of, you know, it is going to be very stable energy with this Four of Wands. I'm getting that you'll be able to you know, fulfill your wish, but you need to take action here. You are doubting yourself. Some of you are doubting, you know, self doubt. Maybe some of you are self sabotage. I feel like that also, you know, because you feel like that you will not be able to achieve, because you, for some of you it might be like you want to become a, you know, actress, or you want to become an actor, but you feel like that you are not that beautiful or something like that. I don't know what I'm getting, you know, that is what I'm getting. You feel that you are not you're not meant to do that, even though you have this feeling that you want to do, but you're not trying also because of your fear. So you need to let that go. You know, you are self-sabotaging yourself. I feel like that you need to let go of that energy and invest your time in researching or whatever you want to do in your life. You know, invest the time. You know, maybe you're wasting your energy here because of your negative feelings. You need to be more positive about the things and invest your time on the things you actually want to do. Okay, don't let other people, maybe some people around you are telling that you're not that good or whatever it is. Don't listen to them. You know, ignore that kind of people. Maybe you're thinking about them because they said that way, because you know, some people are jealous. So I feel with the Seven of Swords energy, there are some people who are gossiping around, you know, or something. You know, they are like very jealous about you or something like that. Don't get into that trap. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. Be this Queen of Swords. Just Queen of Swords is she's very like she knows, she trusts her intuition. Okay, she knows who she needs to trust and who she needs to you know, out. You know, that is what I'm getting. You need to like make a boundary. I feel like that. Yeah, you need to make a boundary right now. You know, make a boundary where you know who you want to let in and who you want to like just go, you know, that kind of energy. You need to make that, you know, that is what you need to do right now. Okay, so whatever if you're thinking about something that you want to achieve, your goal, your passion, you're very passionate about something, but you're stressing about something, you know, you're because of other people, or maybe it's your own negative thoughts that you're dealing with right now. But I feel with this 11 energy, some clarity is going to come, and you will be taking action towards your goals, your dreams, and you will be feeling very stable. Okay, very secure. And For some of you, if your home life is going to be very secure, okay, I feel like that maybe you will be celebrating about something, maybe a wish is going to get fulfilled for some of you. Yeah. Okay, so something like that is also happening here. Yeah, you need to be more flexible. Yeah, so yeah, you need to research. I feel, I don't know why I'm getting this research. You need to research more about something, you need to learn something, you need to read a book, or if sometimes you were trying something and this path didn't work, try another idea. I feel like that you need to be more flexible about things. That is what also I'm getting here. So yeah, this 11 oh god, I'm so sorry. 11 energy, I feel you're going to be getting clarity about something. So just don't be in this 7 of Swords energy, okay? Don't self-sabotage yourself. Do what you want, okay? Follow your dreams. And if one, sometimes we do a specific way and it doesn't work, that doesn't mean that it will not work. You need to just try another one, okay? Be flexible about it, okay? That is also I'm getting here. Yeah, you are meant to, I feel with the star, you are meant to fulfill your wish. Yeah, the star card is here. You are meant to fulfill your wish, okay? Some wish fulfillment is also coming here. That is going to make you very happy with this 11 energy. I'm so sorry, okay? So that is what I'm getting for group number 2. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Group number 3. So what this 11 energy is bringing you guys, we have this number 1. It's all about beginning, new beginnings. Yeah, new beginnings. Okay, so the first card over here is Mercury, Capricorn. Okay, wow. Then we have 5 of Pentacles. Then we have Ace of Cups. Again, 1. New beginnings for sure. 4 of Wands. And the last card here is Chopwood, number 7. Okay. So some communication is coming. Definitely some good news is coming that will lead to a new beginning for you guys. With this energy, I feel like this, you have been working hard. With this bees, I can see, you have been working hard in your career or something. Maybe you are doing something, maybe you're in communication field or something like that, okay, where your thoughts, ideas are important. So you might get a creative idea. For some of you, it might be an idea, an inspiration that will make you so empowered, and this idea will help you grow. This idea will be very successful. So I feel like that you have been working hard. With this bee, I can see that you're working hard, okay? So some communication for some of you, a good news about your career is gonna come, okay? Maybe for some of you, you have been working for this for so long. You were investing your time. With this bees, I feel you have been working hard a lot, and you are gonna reap the rewards. I feel like that, and you will be feeling so happy, because this will be maybe a step up in your career. For some of you, good news, a raise, a bonus, or something like that. For some of you, maybe for some of you, you might get a new job. You might get that you receive a letter or something like that, email or something like that about you are appointed or something like that also is coming here. So something new is definitely with this career. I feel that like that. Yeah, something new, something good, some good news about your career. I feel like that. Yeah, you have been working hard. You have been self-disciplined. I feel like that. You have been working a lot. I feel like that, for making that stability, and finally that is coming. Yeah, I feel this file wanted stability, and that is what you're going to get with this 11 energy, okay? So yeah, that is what something about your career. Look, yeah, 5 of Pentacles. So you have gone through some financial instability or something like that. You were not feeling stable financially. You have this lack mindset. For some of you, it can be a lack mindset you had about your finances. You felt that you have been working hard, but nothing. You're not getting what you deserve. And finally, I feel like that for you, something good is gonna happen that will make you so. You will be feeling very blessed about it. With this Ace of Cups also, Ace of Cups talks about new opportunities, right? It's about a new beginning. For some of you, it can be a new love also, okay? So maybe your relationship, you had felt alone, not feeling loved, or maybe anything, it can be like that. 5 of Pentacles energy is like feeling left out. You feel that you're not meant for this world, feeling like that kind of energy where you're not you were trying to fit in, but at the same time you're not fitting in the society or something like that. You were different, and finally I feel feel many of you are embracing yourself the way you are, because whole, I feel this 11 energy is bringing that, embracing yourself, loving yourself, being feeling empowered. For all of you, I feel like that is the main energy I'm feeling with this. Collectively I feel like that, you're embracing yourself, you're loving yourself, you're taking action. I feel like that. You are going to take action towards the things you are passionate about. So with this Ace of Cups, yes, for some of you it can be new love. If you're single, some new person is coming, and you are you will feel with this Ace of Cups and Four of Wands here, I feel this relationship is going to be very stable. Definitely. Okay. And I feel like and I feel for some of you it can be career thing, a job opportunity that will make you very you will be feeling stable. I feel like that is what is coming. So that is the thing here. You need to chop wood, with this Five of Pentacles energy. The thing you have to do right now is to cleanse the, you need to let go of the energies that is not serving you. This kind of mentality, the lack mentality, if you have, you need to let go of that. Okay. You need to sometimes we feel like that we will never be able to make it, so that mentality should go. You need to clean, maybe you need to clean your space, chop wood, do something that makes you happy. Look, again, a door is opening here, a door is you have this number 1, you have this Ace of Cups, you have this Mercury, something new, look, something new, new door is gonna open. Just let that go away, the past energies that is not serving you, let it go. Okay. Do something that relaxes you. Okay. Maybe sometimes you're thinking too much, so when you think too much, maybe you will invest your energy in that, and sometimes it takes more time to manifest. So this is an opportunity you will get. I feel a new opportunity is coming, because this communication is coming towards you. Something good is coming towards you, that you have been working hard on something, raise or something like that will make you happy, that will make you stable, is coming. But you need to let go of all the past energies that is not serving you. Maybe you need to clean your house. Okay. Maybe your house is a little messy, you need to just chop the wood or do something that makes you happy, like cooking or dancing or singing. Just relax your energy. I feel like that you have like a lot of going on your head. Okay. So just relax it, because you are meant to be stable. And if you are looking for love also, I feel someone is coming that will make you stable. That is what I'm getting. Anyways, you need to chop this mentality of yours, that you will not get enough, you will not be able to make it, you're not going to be loved, you will be always alone, you need to do this, that. No, don't think like that. Just chop it, just let that go. I feel like that is what you need to do right now. Meditate. Meditation will be helpful for you guys if you meditate at, go in nature and spend some time with nature. Okay. So that is what I'm getting. Anyway, some good news about your hard work is coming. You have been working a lot. Some communication is coming about your career, for sure. That is what I'm getting mostly. With this Ace of Cups, new love also it can be, but you need to let go of the past energies. That is what you need to work on. Okay. With this 11 energy, just let go of all the limiting beliefs you have inside your head about yourself. Just do a cleansing ritual or something, like saging your house, that protection. Do some like protection meditation, call upon Archangel Michael and do some meditation. Okay. So that might be beneficial for you guys. Anyways, I see a good new opportunity coming towards you, so don't let your overthinking stop that. Okay. Sometimes we overthink a lot about things, and because of that it might take longer, it might take more time. Okay. So just change your thinking. I feel like that needs to be changed, because there is some kind of like attachment to the outcome, because you're so stressed about the you need to enjoy the process right now. I feel like that you're so attached to the outcome, what will happen, what will be the result, you are what is going to be, in my future. You're so much stressed about that. Okay. So let go of that kind of energy. That is what I'm getting for group number 3. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.